Welcome back to Southpaw Garage. We are back with a new video. This one with a vehicle that has not been featured on the channel yet. It is this 1998 GMC C1500. This is my dad's truck. We've had it in the family for quite a while. My grandfather actually bought it brand new, and now my dad has it, and it's run into some issues lately. So we're trying to get it fixed and get it running real good again. I want to go over what we've worked on, the one problem that we've got left, and some future videos that might be coming featuring this vehicle right here. My dad actually noticed this truck not running very well a while back and didn't really want to take it to the shop. We've had it for a while. We know that it doesn't have probably a lot of life left on it, but we wanted to try to get it running good and let him have something that he can drive and just see how much life we could get out of this and extend it. So we actually got one of these Innova code readers that we plugged into this truck, and we ended up having, I think, 40 different codes pop up. Those codes resulted in us doing quite a lot of work on this truck so far. I'm going to run through a list of everything that we have replaced and worked on, and you'll see just how much we put into getting this thing back up in running condition and running really well. The first thing we did was replace the catalytic converter. In order to do that, we actually replaced the entire catback exhaust with a factory style system because it was cheaper than trying to just cut the catalytic converter out and weld a new one in. Code still remained. So after that, we replaced all of the O2 sensors on the exhaust system. That resolved a lot of codes, but not all of them. So then we went and replaced the distributor, got a brand new distributor put in, brand new spark plug wires put in, brand new entire computer module in this truck, and a brand new crankshaft sensor. All of that's been done so far, resolved most of the codes, but there is still one code that remains. As you can tell from this image on the screen, it is the P1336 code, which is the crankshaft position variation, which means that the new computer module that we've installed has not learned the crankshaft position that it needs in order to make sure the truck's running smoothly. And looking at this other screenshot that I'm putting up on the screen right now, you'll see that there are three things that require a reprogramming of the crankshaft variation. Two of those we've done, as mentioned in that list I just went over, replacing the computer module and replacing the crankshaft sensor itself. So that means we have to reprogram the variation in order for the P1336 code to no longer be listed and hopefully finally get the check engine light off this truck. In order to do that, we have to buy a tool that has the reprogramming option available in it. The one that we have does not have the option to add reprogramming to it. It is just a code reader. So we've got to buy something so we can reprogram this and hopefully get this truck back in running condition. The county that we live in Georgia requires emissions testing for tags every year. So we got to get this done so that my dad can get his tag refreshed and pass emissions. But that's not the only thing that is planned for this truck. So if you like this model of GMC and Chevy trucks, make sure you're subscribed so you can stay updated to see if we get this fixed, because if we do, I have some upgrades and some videos coming for my dad's truck. But before I end this video, I want to go ahead and talk about some of the things that we did change about this truck so far. The first one being, it came with side skirts and these little fiberglass fender flares from the factory. It was an option that my grandfather added when he got the truck. We were not really a fan of it. The steps helped my grandfather and my grandmother get in and out of the truck while they had it, but just not a real fan of the way that flowed from the front to the back. So we took those off. We still have to remove the brackets on the passenger side where they were holding the step and just supporting it for getting it out of the truck. But those have been removed. We also had a camper top on this truck. It was a Lear brand camper top, and we've removed it. As you can see, there's no camper top. I don't believe my dad's planning on putting that camper top back on, but he might. I don't know. I don't think that's really been fully decided yet. I think it needs to stay off. I feel like this truck looks a lot better without it. I also understand if he wants to put it on just to give him a place that is weatherproof for putting stuff in the truck so he doesn't have to worry about it if it rains. But like I said, I like it better without it. We'll see what happens there. But yeah, that's gonna about do it for this video. I just wanted to introduce you to this GMC 1500 from 1998 and let you know that there may be more videos coming. So make sure you're subscribed, because I've got some plans to bring a couple features up to modern day for my dad to give him a little bit of a better driving experience. Thanks for watching. Give it a big old thumbs up if you like this video. Click the subscribe button down below if you want to see what happens with this 1998 GMC C1500. This is Southpaw Garage signing out. I'll see y'all in the next one.